This module will show you how to configure badge logic. But first, we need our 3 badges. So I have my faculty badge here, and this is a basic template for all of my cards. The only thing that's different is a color stripe. So what I'll do for that color stripe is drag a square onto the card. I'll go over to Properties, change the back color, and I choose maroon for my faculty. You can choose whatever color you like. And I'd like to place this color bar behind the department name. I'll go ahead and stretch it out because I want it all the way across the card, make it visible. Now I want it behind the department name, so we can use these buttons here to either bring to the front or send to the back. So we'll send that to the back and we'll save it. Rather than recreating the wheel and creating the next two cards, all I really need to do is 1, change the color, and then do a save as. Give it a name, and hit save. One more time, change the color, and we'll make this my staff card. Save as. Name it for staff, and save. Now that I have my 3 cards, I need to set up the logic to determine which design is going to print. I created a badge type field in another module, so we'll use that to determine which badge will print. So from a badge type drop-down box, I will choose student, staff, or faculty. So we get to badge logic by going to Tools and then Logic and choosing badge logic. There's one set of logic in there. You'll probably only need one set of logic. So just open that one up, rename it, choose the default card, probably whatever card that you think you're going to print the most. And I would usually get rid of this condition here because it's not really needed. Logic is essentially just an if-then statement. So let's make this condition for the staff card. I'll choose my staff card design. And now I will add the if-then statement. So if that field badge type dot badge type equals staff, it will print my staff card. Now this value down here is very critical. It has to match how you typed it into the drop-down box for badge type. It is case sensitive and it has to be spelled the same. Add the next condition for student, name it for student. I'll choose the student card design. Add the if-then statement, so if badge type dot badge type equals student, it will print my student card. Hit OK. Again, OK. Now I could make a condition for faculty, but I don't have to because it will evaluate these 2 conditions and it won't match. That way it will automatically print your default card. These conditions, just for your information, are evaluated from top to bottom, and you can always reorder them by moving them up and down in that condition window. And hit OK. Now you will see how to apply your badge logic to the screen. We'll click on that. Select the logic that we set up in an earlier module, hit OK, and then save your work. If you try and save your work before you apply the logic, it will not let you save it.